So today we've got a couple of parcels to open, guess the price, and a quick restoration on a clamp that arrived last week. I was only saying to my mate last night, I've got too many hammers. And another hammer turns up. Anyway, this, as we can see here, I'm allowed this one. This one's a Garrington. It's in very good condition as well. And it did have Garrington down the handle. I only collect Garringtons with bird names, but I also collect hammers, so that one counts. That one counts in both. So there's that one. I'd like a guess on this, please. It's not one of my usual prices. I've gone what's known in the tool video trade. I've gone a bit Ben on this one compared to my normal buying options. All right, so guesses on the Garrington hammer, please. How much that cost? And again, I just seen from the end of what this is. Again, I've gone a bit Ben. This is a W Whitehouse palm swell. I have to do something with this end because that's not right. Didn't see that in the picture. I look well at that again. And another Whitehouse palm swell. I first see these in Tool Addicts video, and I thought they're brilliant. I like them, and they are. Wow! What a brilliant idea! Fantastic. And I don't know if that classes as a palm swell or not. I have to ask Ben on that. Ben, does that class as a palm swell? It's very light, that one. Just a normal one, isn't it? I think palm swells have always got these on. I'm not sure if these are used for cobbling or not. Are they cobblers' hammers originally? I might have to look that up and do a bit of research. Right. So I've got these three in together. Can you tell me how much? Have a guess. Guess the price on those. All right. That's that's going to be a shame. They got the stickers on. Maybe I'll move that head down to there. I don't know. And they got this cream paint, which I don't think is going to be original. It's just someone's just marked it as theirs like that. So, yep, that's bloody horrible, that, isn't it? That's, why have they done that, eh? No idea why they've done that. Cool. So, there we go. That's all that come today. I can't believe it. So I'm guessing as not much has come, I better do a quick restoration. I got this malleable kamasa that came the other day in another tool haul. I'm going to give this a quick restore, and this wooden, this terrible condition. This wasn't even lining up the other day. I've bent it out a lot straighter now, and that's where I'm leaving it. So there's those two. Okay, over to the wire wheel to give the malleable one a good old get all the grubby stuff off and any rust. And every minute that goes past while I'm cleaning this, it just gets better and better and better. Over to the belt sander now. This is a 120 grit belt, just to clean all those edges up. They've been knocked about and bent and chipped all through its life. I want to try and give it a nice shine and straighten them up a bit. Well, that's looking 300% better now. There's just a couple of tiny bits in the corners there, in the curves where the belt sander wouldn't go. I'm just getting in with the Dremel and cleaning them out. Yeah, the only other thing wrong with this was the Tommy bar was a bit, so we'll give it a push down with a hydraulic press. That's good enough for me. So here's what it looked like again before and now. Going to get some beeswax on there, including the paint. In beeswax everything, protect the lot. Now this has come out quite nice, I think. Totally original paint on it. It lines up nicely. Straighten the Tommy bar in the hydraulic press. Runs freely now. Oh, my hands are slippery. That does us. That's nice. I'm glad I didn't paint it. Wouldn't have looked right if I painted that now. There we go, nice and free running. Brilliant. That can go up on the wall. Okay, so I've got to guess the price on this hammer. And these three here, please. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and bye for now. There will be a link at the end to my other channel, Handy Dad Workshop, where I'm running the wooden through the hydraulic press to straighten it up.